Want to see who viewed your Snapchat location? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check who looked at your SnapMap location step by step. Before starting, make sure your Snapchat location is turned on and that your Bitmoji is not in ghost mode. Otherwise, your location won't be visible on SnapMap. First, open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right to open your Snapchat settings. Scroll down to the privacy controls section and tap on My Data. You may be asked to log into your Snapchat account again. Once you're on the data download page, uncheck the other options and keep only renting and location selected. This helps keep the data file smaller and easier to process. After that, tap Next. Now choose the time range for the location data you want to request. Make sure the email address shown is the one linked to your Snapchat account, then tap Submit. Snapchat will send your data file to your email address. Download the file to your phone, open it, and look for the section related to SnapMap or location views. There, you may see information about friends who interacted with or viewed your SnapMap location activity. And that's how to check who viewed your SnapMap location. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tutorials.